BT YouView boxes can get stuck in frustrating reboot loops, continuously restarting and displaying the logo without ever reaching the main interface. This affects popular models like the Humax DTR-T2100 and DTR-T4000. Several factors can cause these reboot loops. Firmware corruption from incomplete updates is common, as is overheating from poor ventilation. Power supply issues, failing hard drives in recording models, and unstable network connections can also trigger continuous restarts. The first solution to try is a power cycle reset. This simple process has a 60 to 70% success rate and takes just a few minutes to complete. Step 1. Unplug the YouView box. Wait at least 30 seconds. Step 2. Hold power button. Press for 10 seconds while unplugged. Step 3. Reconnect power cable. Plug back into wall outlet. Step 4. Power on and wait. Allow 5 to 10 minutes to initialize. If the power cycle doesn't work, try a factory reset through maintenance mode. This more advanced solution has an 82% success rate, but will erase your settings. Step 1. Power off the box. Use remote or power button. Step 2. Hold power button while plugging in power cable. Step 3. Wait for safe display. Keep holding until front panel shows safe. Step 4. Navigate to factory reset. Use remote to select option. Step 5. Confirm and wait. Process takes 15 to 30 minutes. These two immediate fixes resolve most BT YouView reboot loop issues. Start with the simple power cycle reset, and if that fails, proceed to the factory reset through maintenance mode. Both methods are safe and effective for getting your YouView box working again. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your BT YouView reboot loop, advanced solutions become necessary. These methods require more time and technical knowledge, but offer higher success rates. First, try accessing firmware recovery mode through the maintenance menu. This process can take 45 to 90 minutes and requires a stable internet connection throughout. If your box has a disk check option in maintenance mode, run it to verify hard drive health. Failing storage is a common cause of persistent reboot issues, especially in PVR models with recording capabilities. Overheating is a major cause of reboot loops. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance around your box, clean air vents with compressed air, and consider external cooling fans for enclosed cabinets. Power supply issues can cause instability. Test with different outlets, verify adapter specifications match device requirements, and consider replacement if your power supply is over 3 years old. Prevention is key to avoiding future reboot issues. Perform monthly power cycles, maintain stable broadband of at least 10 megabits per second, and monitor for early warning signs like slower menu navigation or unusual fan noise. While BT plans to phase out YouView hardware in favor of app-based solutions by 2026 to 2027, these advanced troubleshooting methods can significantly extend the life and reliability of your current box.